Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful and outstanding Christmas outdoor decoration ideas for your home decor. Guys, these are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very stunning outdoor Christmas collections for you. You guys easily decorate your homes with these ideas. Guys, these are super luxurious collections for you. So guys, I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Guys, these are very stunning, very beautiful and very latest ideas for you guys. Always think positive guys, always be positive. And I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Guys, if you want different other Christmas decoration ideas, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very amazing, these are very stunning and very pretty collections for you guys. You guys must enjoy this video and you guys also watch my channel and watch those videos on my channel. Guys, these are very trending, these are very beautiful and very latest and very amazing Christmas outdoor decoration ideas. So guys, always take care of yourself, always be happy, and I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very stunning outdoor Christmas decoration ideas for your home decor. So must try these at your homes and share your ideas with me, that how much you like this video and which look you followed for your homes. So guys, also you must leave the comment in the comment section and you must try these at your homes. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.